Naser also from the airport. So you'll be really safe and secure with your luggage, with yourself. I'll leave his number in the description as well. Guys, finally reached at Entebbe airport. Look who's here to pick me up. Naser, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, Naser?
Alhamdulillah.
I missed you, man.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Guys, you know him, right? You have seen my videos, and Naser is here again to pick me up. He's a very good guy. He has always been so helpful, and now we'll be going to Kampala. You see, there are also airport taxis, and Naser also from the airport. So you'll be really safe, no problem at all. Safe and secure with your luggage, with yourself. He'll drop you, wherever you want in Kampala, around Uganda. If you're going back to your country, he can always pick you up. I'll leave his number in the description as well. You will see the beauty of Uganda while we're going from Entebbe towards Kampala. So stay tuned and stay with us.
If you would keep me waiting, I would wait a lifetime. In tricky situations, I will be a lifeline. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Keep coming back for you time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby, I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Baby, I got you. I got you. I got you. Ocean in between us, still I feel your heartbeat. There's something about you, baby, that makes me feel complete.
Now guys, see the beauty, huh? It was just sunny, like when we left from the airport, and just like 20 minutes away, it's raining. So it can rain, it can be sunshine. Weather, you can't compare the weather of Uganda to any country in the world. Isn't it correct, Naser?
Exactly, it is.
The weather with minutes and hours, yes, exactly. Chitufu!
That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Coming back for you time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you.